I wish you, in whatever your choices are, the best. It is not player versus player. I'm just trying to make as much money for myself and for my subscribers. If we're going through the largest opportunity in all macro history in the shortest period of time, I've got to take as many people as possible with me.
What's up, crypto crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Might, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you're like Garage, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto crew, we're about to finish up the month of September. Caspa has landed another CAS Euro trading pair, as Caspa has just been listed on Bitfavo, one of the most popular exchanges in the Netherlands, and it was by public demand. This is bullish, leading up to October, a historically bullish month, also known as Pumptober, especially in the midst of this upcoming bull run. And we kind of needed this, crypto crew, after weeks of an intense bloodbath with only brief and scattered moments of relief. The crypto ocean is now showing signs of a recovery, maybe a major reversal. Will this be a start of phase 2 of what will be the biggest bull run in crypto history? We have seen the Federal Reserve's rate cut announcement on September 18th, 2024, and the SEC now finally issued approval for the listing and trading of Bitcoin options. This is huge for Bitcoin and the crypto ocean as a whole, as this will attract more liquidity and big traditional investors. Renowned macro analyst and Real Vision CEO Raoul Paul says we will see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies explode massively, as Paul calls it the banana zone, which could be days away from the making of this recording. In a recent video on his Raoul Paul, the Journeyman YouTube channel, Paul had very interesting things to say about the development within the next 10 weeks, followed by a massive explosion in cryptocurrency prices. Listen to this, crypto crew.
Now, I'm wearing my Banana Zone t-shirt because I think it's coming. I think it's coming in days or maybe a week. And before I said, well, maybe it's next month, maybe it's the month after, maybe it's this week, I don't know. I'm like, no. We've done thousands of hours on this. I honestly give this Banana Zone an 80-something% chance of happening almost immediately. Give it 2 weeks, within 2 weeks. And I know that sticking my neck out, I'm wearing my Banana Zone t-shirt, I'm trying not to jinx the thing. But, you know, as I've talked about, all of our hopes and dreams are in this. Mine too. Real Vision as a business. Almost everybody I speak to, you know, I've been on the phone with a few, billionaire GMI subscribers, friends of mine. Everybody wants this to happen. Everyone needs this to happen because people are invested. Now, technology, there's a bunch of other ways of skinning this cat. But really, people have been like this with high interest rates, a slow business cycle where ISM has been bumping along. And I know people like a lot of, people on Twitter are like, oh, well, my God, the markets are all-time high. What's everybody complaining about? Speak to real people when their mortgages are like that, their interest payments are like that, their credit card bills are like that. Speak to corporations who are trying to borrow money that aren't kind of, AAA rated tech companies that have no debt. All of this stuff. It has been very, very difficult for a while. Rates have been the highest they have for a very long time. The rate of change of interest rates was enormous. Inflation is now wildly below interest rate. So real rates are ridiculously restrictive. And people feel it. People are not happy. People don't have personal expenditure abilities to do what they want, but it's coming. It's coming. The business cycle's changing. So all of you who run businesses, all of you who see the sluggishness of the cycle and wonder why the equity market's going to all-time highs and your business isn't yet, it's all going to come. Things are going to improve dramatically. The equity market's driven by liquidity. Your earnings, yours and mine, are driven by the business cycle. And that is just about to pick up. So cheers. Here's to a much, much better 18 months ahead. The Banana Zone is here and now.
Now, as a Caspian or Caspa Maxi, I'm extremely confident Caspa will be one of the top performers in this upcoming 2025 bull run. With the recent launch of the KRC20, a heap of tokens have invaded the crypto ocean, and the premier ones are about to get listed on some centralized exchanges. And by the way, you can watch a video about the KRC20 tokens here. Caspa has much more in store following its first enterprise conference in Dublin. The Caspa KII is about to share major bullish news about its developments. Smart contracts are on the way, as are the major Tier 1 exchange listings.
Pump it up!
But a bullish Bitcoin, which at the making of this vid has crossed the 65,000 USD resistant line and now sitting just under 66K, which is great news for the entire crypto ocean.
Listen, I believe in abundance. I wish you, in whatever your choices are, the best. It is not player versus player. I'm just trying to make as much money for myself and for my subscribers. All the things that I do to try and help people, and publicly. I share a lot of my information for free. Pisses off some of the people who are paying tens of thousands of dollars for my research, but it's really important for me to help as many people in this journey as possible. If we're going through the largest opportunity in all macro history in the shortest period of time, I've got to take as many people as possible with me. If not, I'm selfish. That's not what I set up Real Vision. It's not what I've been doing this. It's really important to me that you guys do the best. Now, I am not fallible. I'm not a guru. I will not get everything right. And you will probably hate me at some point and love me at other times. Just, like I mention this a lot, just realize I'm just trying to do the best I can to help. I'm not trying to diss your coin. I'm not trying to do anything against you. I'm not trying to scam you, shill you, do anything. I am just doing what I'm doing myself. And I'm telling you what I'm doing. And if you don't want to do that, that's good too. If you want to come along with me for the ride, that's fine too. I don't have all the answers. I will not be the best in the world.
Hopefully, Raoul Paul will get to know Kaspa before the bull run really takes off, with Kaspa's recent listing on Pionex US, which is a fully regulated trading platform serving across 47 different states in the US and known for their AI trading bots. American investors are now able to buy Kaspa with just a 0.1 trading fee. So if you're from the United States and you want to get your hands on Caspa in a cheap way, there's a referral link in the description box below. I get a little bit of kickback, so you would support the Your Crypto Crew YouTube channel in that way. Thanks so much for your consideration and support in advance.
Give me a second, I'll switch it up.
Now, I mentioned Caspa Industrial Initiative Foundation, aka Kaspa Kai, just had their first enterprise conference. I will be going more in detail into these updates in another video, but one I wanted to share today is some major bullish news in the financial industry, as this bombshell is directly correlated to Kaspa's push towards a top 10 spot, challenging one of the current top crypto projects. Warcore is a system that connects Kaspa with its decentralized technology to traditional financial systems, enabling faster and more secure cross-border payments. Now, Crypto Crew, with just Warcore alone, Kaspa Kai will assist Kaspa to go head-to-head with XRP, which already have things in the pipeline in the financial industry. However, with Warcore, Kaspa actually achieves what Ripple XRP wanted to achieve, but simply wasn't able to. And on top of that, Warpcore goes beyond that. Why? Because the Warpcore system is compliant with two key standards. To put it simple, Crypto Crew, Warpcore will make it easier for businesses to adopt Kaspa while meeting regulatory requirements, whilst doing it with decentralization. This is huge and something XRP can do, because unlike Kaspa, Ripple XRP is a centralized crypto project. And with the institutional interest and demand for Bitcoin, which will hugely impact prices, Bitcoin making a recovery, trending about 10% under its all-time high, coming into Pumptober and Q4 in 2024. Exciting times lie ahead for Bitcoin, the entire crypto ocean, and the overall digital asset space in 2025 and beyond. Let me know your thoughts on Kaspa in this bull run, Bitcoin, the imminent bull run kicking off, and Raoul Paul's comments in the comment section below. Now, before I go, Crypto Crew, whatever crypto asset you hold, I believe you should keep custody over your investments as much as possible. After investing in a project such as Kaspa, protecting your assets is a top priority. So I suggest you get your hands on a Tangent wallet, as this is the most user-friendly cold wallet, taking your assets offline, allowing you to have full custody over your Kaspa and other crypto assets with a proven track record of security. Check out the link in the description box below if you want 10% off your Tangent wallet.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean. Grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say I.